welcome to Tap Dance Tutorial at Home, and today beginners and intermediate and even advanced, you can check it out if you can do it because it's much more difficult than it seems. So let's have a look. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and to give a thumbs up to the video, and let's have a look. That you know what this step is going to be about, let's go a little bit in depth. So let's break it down first. Shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Then 3V. Step, step, shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. And 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now let's talk about some specific points. First, you notice that I didn't do okay. So here's the first challenge, is to keep it regular. Shuffle up, step, 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 ta 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 ta, ta 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 ta. So you need to keep it regular. To do this, I have a few points that can help you. So first, you need to jump on time. Everything is in the rhythm. In which rhythm you're gonna do shuffle hop. Okay, shuffle hop. So my advice is, instead of waiting to finish your shuffle to hop on the brush. You see, I hop. As I do the second brush here, I hop, and then I'm on time with the step. Okay? Then okay, so first thing, something you want to watch out as well, it's don't put your leg too far. Don't do your shuffle too far. Okay? Stay below you. Okay? The fastest you want to do this step, the closest your feet needs to be together. Okay? Makes sense. Because obviously you want to have less movement, to lose less time doing useless movement. So if you do shuffle very far, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, it's going to be much more difficult. Okay? Shuffle, hop, step. Third point is that inside your shoe, you don't want to have your feet completely relaxed. You want to do this with the toes. Hello guys. You want to do this with the toes to control your sound. So leave your ankle relaxed, of course, but your toes needs to direct your step, your brush. And look for the shuffle, not with this part, not with this part of the tap, but here. Okay? Now, if I remove my top to show you what my feet are doing inside. Okay, have you seen the shape? I'm not leaving my foot completely like this. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave your comments. You are very welcome to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you on the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.